This is about strengthening Jamaica's position within the regional integration process, which is absolutely important for Jamaica's economic growth and development for the next 50 years.
The ministry is faced with the unique situation of having too many economically viable projects stuck in the pipeline. We aim to remove the barriers and to get these projects off the ground while we redouble our efforts to attract new investments. Projects such as the Cassava project by Heineken in Jamaica here, PA Benjamin, who has an expansion plan for $25 million. Mr. Speaker, I can say to you, with my intervention and working with the other ministers and relevant agencies, you can rest assured that I will do everything to make sure that we get these projects out of the pipeline and get new projects on it. Urban regeneration of our capitals and towns is paramount to attracting other investments and achieving economic growth and job creation. The current downtown Kingston incentive area extends north to North Street, west to Beacon Street, south to Ocean Boulevard, and east to Paradise Street. The proposed extension areas extend west to East Avenue, north to Connolly Avenue, east to Hillside Crescent, and south along the coastline.
They do this review regularly. And there are three categories that destinations fall in terms of their review. One which is normal. The second which is elevated, risk. And the third, which is too risky, we will not recommend. You travel if you wish, but we do not recommend. Jamaica fell in the second category, along with most of the destinations in this region.
There's the operating theatre that is on the drawing board that I want to get the team to move quickly on because it's needed. There's a sewage treatment facility that is almost complete that we're going to quickly complete. There is an administrative wing that is half or 3/4 way complete that we need to get going. Beyond that, there's some refurbishing that is needed.
Minister Tufton also toured the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, where major areas of improvements took place over recent times. These included the expansion of the new female medical ward, the expansion of the pediatric nursery, renovation of outpatient bathrooms, and procurement of well-needed equipment. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.